morning everyone. You have already learned about fractions and types of fractions. So now we are going to start chapter 10 more on fractions, and today we are going to learn about equivalent fractions. Now here I have made three pictures over here. First is square, which I have divided into two equal parts. Second, which is divided into four equal parts, and third, which is divided into six equal parts. Now here I have shaded one part, here I have shaded two parts, and here three parts. So this one is 1 upon 2, this one 2 upon 4, then this one is 3 upon 6. Now see, these three fractions are equivalent. Equivalent, that means equal. How? Because this is half part, this is also representing half part only, and this one is also representing half part. Or you can say, in the table of 2, 4 comes 2 times and 2 come 1 times. So this will become 1 upon 2 only. In the table of 3, 3 comes 1 time and 6 comes 2 times. This will also be 1 upon 2. So these fractions are equivalent, or we can say equal. So this is the definition of equivalent fractions. Now we are going to start exercise 10A, in which question number 1 you don't have to do. We will start from question number 2, that is filling the blanks. A part is 1 upon 2 is equals to dash upon 10. Now here in the denominator it is 10. We have to find the numerator. Now see, in the table of 2 how many times 10 comes? 5 times, right? In the table of 2, 2 के टेबल में 10 कितने टाइम्स आता है? 5 टाइम्स आता है. So यहाँ हम क्या करेंगे? 1 को भी 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, because ये 2 किससे मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा था? 5 से, and it will become 10. So यहाँ पे हम न्यूमरेटर में भी किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? With 5. So 5 times 1 is 5. This 5 will be answer. Similarly in C part, 2 upon 5 is equals to dash upon 20. So in the table of 5, 20 comes 4 times. So this is multiplying by 4. Now we have to multiply this 4 in numerator also. So 4 times 2 is 8. So it will be 8 upon 20. In G part, 6 upon 7 is equals to 36 upon dash. Now in the table of 6, 36 comes 6 times only. That's why we have to multiply this 6 by 7. So 7 times 6 is 42. So 36 upon 42 will be answer. In H part, 5 upon 9 is equals to 35 upon dash. Now in the table of 5, 35 comes 7 times. So we have to multiply it by 7. So 9 times 7 is 63. So 35 upon 63 is the answer. Similarly, you will do other parts. And you have to remember here one thing, कि जो नंबर आप न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वही नंबर आपको डिनोमिनेटर से भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है, और जो भी हम डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं वो हमें न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. दैट मीन्स हमें सेम नंबर से ही दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. हम ऐसे नहीं कर सकते कि इसे हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें और नीचे हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें. दैट विल बी रॉन्ग. यू हैव टू टेक ओनली one digit or one number to multiply. Now question number 3 is also filling the blanks, in which this type of questions are given, and here A part is 3 upon 4 and we have to fill this dashes. So here 3 multiply by dash and 4 multiply by 5. So I have already told you, जो आप number numerator से multiply करेंगे वही आप denominator से करेंगे, और you can say जो आप denominator से multiply करेंगे वो आप numerator से भी multiply करेंगे. So here in the denominator we are multiplying it by 5, so we will multiply it by 5. Here it is multiplied by 4, so यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 4. Here this is multiplying by 6, so यहाँ भी क्या आ जाएगा? 6. Similarly this one 5 upon 7, here it is 6, so we will write 6 only. Here it is 8, so we will write 8. Here it is 12, so we will multiply it by 12 only. Similarly you can do other parts. In question number 4, write equivalent fraction with denominator 30. So here we have to make denominator 30. यहाँ जो भी fractions हैं उनमें सब denominator में हमें क्या लेकर आना है? 30 लेकर आना है. Now see in A part 3 upon 10 we have to make this 10 30. So हम इस 10 को किससे multiply करेंगे so that we'll get 33. So 3 times 10 is 30. So हमने यहाँ पे denominator में 3 से multiply किया है, तो अब हम numerator में भी इसे multiply करेंगे. Now 3 into 3 is 9. So यहाँ जो अब new fraction होगा that will be 9 upon 30. Because हम denominator में अगर multiply कर रहे हैं तो हमें numerator में भी multiply करना है. Similarly in B part 4 upon 5 we are making this 5 30. So 5 को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे so that we'll get 30. So 5 times 6 is 30. So अब हमने यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में 6 मल्टीप्लाई किया है, so we will multiply 6 in the numerator also. So 4 times 6 is 24. So the new fraction is 24 upon 30, and these are equivalent fractions of these fractions. In question number 5, now we have to make numerator 36. So हमें upper part जो है या top part है उसे क्या बनाना है 36. So here we have to make 36 numerator. Now see, in A part that is 1 upon 3. So 1 को हम 36 से multiply करेंगे तो हमारे पास 36 आ जाएगा. So we will multiply this 36 in the denominator also, and 36 into 3 is 108. So the new fraction or equivalent fraction is 36 upon 108. Now in 3 upon 4 we are making this 336. So 3 को हम किससे multiply करेंगे so that we'll get 36 by 12, because 3 times 12 or 12 times 3 is 36. Now we will multiply this 12 by 4 also. So 12 times 4 or 4 times 12 is 48. So the new fraction is 36 upon 48. Next, in question number 6, use multiplication to write equivalent fractions. Now we have to use multiplication and then we have to write the equivalent fractions. So here, this question is very easy. We have to write the table of the numerator number and the table of the denominator number. So here it is 3. So we'll write the table of 3 only. 3 2 times and 3 3 times. And here in the denominator we will write 7 2 times and 7 3 times. So 3 into 2 is 6. 7 into 2 is 14. 3 into 3 is 9. And 7 into 3 is 29. So these are the equivalent fractions. Similarly, in 2 upon 9, we'll write the table of 2 in the numerator and table of 9 in the denominator. So 2 into 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 3, 27. Similarly, you can do other parts. Question number 7, write equivalent fractions using division. अब हमें क्या करना है, इन numbers को divide करके इनके equivalent fractions लेकर आने. So first we will divide these numbers by 2, because दोनों 2 की table से divide होते हैं numbers. So जब हम 2 से divide करेंगे we'll get 6 and here we'll get 9. Now this is the first fraction. Again we can divide these numbers by 3, because ये दोनों किसकी table में आते हैं, 3 की table में आते हैं. So dividing it by 3, we are getting 2 and 3. Now जैसे हमने multiply किया था कि जो नंबर हम न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं वो हम डिनोमिनेटर से भी मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, वैसे ही डिवीजन में भी हमें क्या करना है, जो नंबर हम ऊपर डिवाइड करेंगे वही हम नीचे वाले नंबर से भी डिवाइड करेंगे. सो दीज टू फ्रैक्शंस आर द आंसर. In B part 20 upon 40, again we'll divide these numbers by 2, because दोनों 2 की टेबल में आते हैं. So the first fraction will be 2 की टेबल में 20 10 times and 40 20 times. Again these can be divided by 2. So 2 की टेबल में 10 आता है 5 times and 20 10 times. So these are the two equivalent fractions. अगर कोई और नंबर से भी ये डिवाइड होता है तो आप यहाँ पे कोई अदर नंबर भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Similarly, you can do other parts. Next, question number 8 is change to like fractions. What are like fractions? In which the denominators are same. So we have to make the denominators equal or same. And how do we make it? First of all, we have to write the fractions, that is 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 4, A part. And then you have to multiply this denominator by the first fraction and this first denominator by the second fractions. That means इसका डिनोमिनेटर हम इस फ्रैक्शन से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे और इसके डिनोमिनेटर को हम इस फ्रैक्शन से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो हियर इट इज 4. इस 4 को हम न्यूमिनेटर डिनोमिनेटर जो फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन था उससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड वी आर गेटिंग 4 times 1 4, 5 times 4 20. एंड जो सेकंड फ्रैक्शन है उसे हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फर्स्ट के डिनोमिनेटर से, दैट मीन्स 5. सो 5 times 1 is 5, 4 times 5 is 20. Now see, the denominators are same. So 4 upon 20, 5 upon 20 are like fractions. Similarly in B part 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4. So यहाँ second fraction का denominator क्या है, 4. This we will multiply with the first fraction. So 4 into 2 and 4 into 3. 4 times 2, 8. 3 times 4, 12. And here जो first fraction है उसका denominator 3 है. This 3 we will multiply by this 3 upon 4. So 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. Now see, यहाँ दोनों में क्या आया? Upon में 12. So these are like fractions. Question number 9. Are the fractions are equivalent? Now we have to check कि जो हमें fractions दिए हुए हैं वो equivalent है या नहीं है. वो हम कैसे check करेंगे? For example, this A part 3 upon 7 and 1 upon 8 we have to check these are equivalent or not. We have to cross multiply. Cross multiply आप कैसे करेंगे? You have to make arrows like this. This 7 to 1 and this 3 to 8 or 8 to 3. So first we will multiply this 8 and 3. So 3 times 8 is 24. And then we have to multiply this 7 and 1. So 7 times 1 is 7. Are these numbers are equal? No. So we will write no, these are not equivalent. So these fractions are not equivalent. If the numbers are coming same, यहाँ अगर numbers क्या आ जाते हैं? Same आ जाते हैं. That means वो fractions क्या हो जाएंगे? Equivalent हो जाएंगे. Let's check in C part. Are these fractions are equivalent or not? So first we will multiply this 10 and 3. So 10 times 3 is 30. Then 15 times 2 is also 30. So these numbers are equal. That means yes. So yes, these are equivalent fractions. And your homework is you have to do question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 all parts in your book only. And question number 8 ABC part, question number 9 ABC part in your notebook of exercise 10A. Question number 10 you don't have to do. Only these questions you have to do. Thank you.